Meet Xing, the one-armed monkey from a serene temple in East China. Xing's life took a tragic turn when she lost her arm in a wild boar trap and endured captivity in a circus. Destiny intervened when she met Grandma Yi, a Buddhist nun in her late 80s, who became her savior and friend for over 15 years. What sets Xing apart from other monkeys is her gentle nature, a stark contrast to the usual rambunctious behavior of macaques. She's even a fan of cats and enjoys their company. Her endearing antics and love for snacks turned her into a global sensation in 2021. However, her newfound fame brought a flurry of visitors, leaving her overwhelmed and sometimes stressed. Watch the full story on our channel.